students, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is chapter number 4, A, N and the. So A, N and the, these are articles. Now let's quickly revise. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? Now there are vowels and there are consonants. Can you tell me what are the vowels? We have 5 vowels, which are A, I, E, U, O. These are vowels. 5 vowels. And the remaining 21 are the consonants. Now, when we talk about articles, we put the articles, we use the articles A and the before the naming word. Now, if the naming word starts with a vowel A, E, I, O, U, we use N before that naming word. For example, if I say elephant, then I will say this is a vowel, this is a naming word which starts with a vowel. So, which article I'll put before it? I will put an elephant. On the other hand, if the naming word starts with a consonant, then I'll write A. Now, what is with the article? The is used when we talk about plural naming words or the things that are one of its kind, specific. For example, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the earth, the moon, the plural stars. So, the stars. The jungle books. I am talking about jungle books, plural. So, the jungle books. A jungle books is wrong. The jungle books. Now here, if I talk about, let's take more examples. A book, a doll, a boy. Now you will tell me dash eagle and a the. It is the naming word starts from a vowel. So you will write an eagle. Now if I ask you dash ostrich, then you will say naming word starts with again with a vowel. So an ostrich. If I say dash school, the school, dash earth, the earth, dash story, a story, not an, not the. So today in this session, we'll talk about articles A and the. Let's begin the session with warm-up. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. A table. And table, no, it starts with T, it is a consonant, so, and it is not plural or one of its kind, so a table. E is a vowel, an egg. A bat, single bat, starts with a consonant, so a bat. So the words in green colors are articles and the words in red are nouns. It is a thing, egg, and it is a thing, bat. So it is a table, egg and bat are the naming words or nouns, and the A and A are the articles that we put before the nouns. Now, A, N and the are articles. These words go before a naming word. Before a naming word, we put these articles. If the naming word begins with a consonant sound, we use A. If the naming word begins with a vowel sound, we use N. Most of the time, if the naming word is plural or only one of its kind, we use the. So this is the use of A and the. Look at the following pictures and understand the uses of A and the. Here, one orange, right? So here, O is a orange vowel sound. So an orange. Books, plural, the books. Starfish starts with a consonant sound. So spider, the shoes, plural. Ball. Now moon is one of its kind, so the moon. A scarf, a castle, not an castle. It is not starting with vowel sound. So this consonant sound. So you will write a castle. Now fill in the blanks with, practice this exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. I eat dash apple for my breakfast. An, a or the. Which will you will do? Starts with vowel sound, apple. So I eat an apple. Do you have a cat? I like to eat dash egg. Dash egg, vowel sound. An egg before I come to school. Will you please pass me an, a or the? An, it is vowel sound. So an umbrella. Next, I put dash toy on the bed. I put a toy, a single toy is here, a toy on the bed. I can ride on an elephant. Vowel. Now, complete the sentences using a, an or the. Dash boy. A boy. Not, we are talking about not boys. Consonant here. So, a boy went to the school. Dash cinema is near my house. A cinema is near my house. I am talking about one. Dash moon shines in the night sky. Moon is one of its kind. The moon shines in the night sky. There is dash apple in dash basket. There is an apple in the basket. The sun rises in the east. Now next, write A or N in the blanks, then write the number of the pictures in the boxes beside the phrase. First one has been done. So here you can see a flower and a butterfly here. So you have written here, what do you have written here? 7, right? Now here if you see a bus and a kite. So what you will do here? You will write, this is a 5th picture, you will write 5 here, a bus and a kite. Now pencil, pencil and star. So a pencil and a star. Here eye and hand. So vowel sound. An eye and a hand. Dash fish and dash starfish. Here a fish and a starfish. And if you write the picture here, pencils is on number 6, eye, and this is on number 4, this is on number 2, and here a man and a violin here. So a man and a violin, and the picture is number 3. This is how you have to do this. Now next, dash apple and a cupcake. Here you can see the picture number 1. So you will write, here you will write number 1 picture, an apple and a cupcake. Next question given to you is, underline the incorrect articles and then write the sentences correctly. So solve with me now. I feed the monkey in a zoo. Is it correct? You will underline this and this. So you will write, I feed a monkey in the zoo. Next, the moon goes around the earth. Earth is one of its kind, so it is incorrect. The moon goes around the earth. And banana is yellow. And banana? No. A banana is yellow. Next, the cup of coffee is hot. A cup of coffee. So this is incorrect. A cup of coffee is hot. Boxes are heavy. Plural form. The boxes. So A is incorrect. The boxes are heavy. So children, I hope now you're able to understand where we have to use a, and, or, the. With this children, this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.